Mike Hughes here. I'm at Underwater Kinetics, and I'm here with Alan. And Alan, you have some new products to show us this year.
Yes, we do. We've redone our Aqualite line.
Okay.
There's the Aqualite Multi, which comes with a grip, and you basically push it once, and you get white light. Push it again, you get brighter. Push it again, it blinks.
Okay.
Push it again, it's red. And push it again, it's 380 UVs, which is the right color temperature to get everything underwater to fluoresce. And that is $299 retail. And then we also have a Aqualite, which is the Max, which is 3 powers. Click it, it goes up to 1,400 lumen.
Wow.
And then it's only white. And then we have that's the Pro 2. This is the Max, and this is it's white also, and you have to hold it 3 seconds. You let go, and that's low, believe it or not. That's medium, and that's high.
Oh, wow.
And look over there, you can point it up at 3,000 lumens. A real 3,000 lumens.
In case you're diving in a convention center.
Or you want to, or you're in a cave, you know, or something like that. You really want to reach out there.
Right.
This destroys the idea of night diving, because it's now day diving with one of these on. And all these things fit on the wrist mount, so you can do it that way, or it comes to the handles, so you can hold it that way, or you can just grab it like that.
Very trimline, so you can get your gloves around it.
And one last feature about these is all these have their carbon fiber cases, so they'll never corrode. And there's an aluminum sleeve that carries the heat around, and the batteries are standard 2170, which is a automotive battery that are using on all these cars.
Okay.
But as long as you buy one with the protection circuit, you can buy your own and put extras and all that, so you don't have to go back to the factory to get replacement batteries.
Okay.
And so the things, and because it comes with the charger, what you do is you just have you can charge your lights, while you're diving, or have an extra couple free batteries. So you just change batteries when the time comes, and so you never send it back to us for changing the circuits. So anyway, that's the line, and these new ones for us.
Perfect. And if they want more information, they're going to go...
They go to our website, uwk.com.
Perfect, which is right in the back there, as you can see on the wall.
Well, actually,
oh, that's the other way.
UWK will get you to the general site, because we make other kinds of products. Dive tends to right to the dive line.
Okay. And one of the other products I'll just mention.
These are all out for production right now. So,
okay.
So you can buy these.
Oh, perfect.
Well,
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.